All right, Professor Banerjee.
Yeah, I just add to what Shauri said. We have also started this new set of postgraduate diploma programs which are online. We
Postgraduate
started
diploma
one
courses,
in
you say?
Yes, postgraduate diploma courses, which are actually 1 year kind of courses. These have just been approved by our Senate, and we've started the three sets of such courses.
All right.
We have a channel, we have a e-Vidya scheme through which our CEP and QIP programs are run. So there are a host of programs which are not, I mean, one doesn't need to be an IIT student to take those programs. Apart from that, as Shauri has already mentioned, we have the executive MBA.
Yep. Professor Baswana, we were talking about holistic development. Let's come back to that for a second. Placement की बात कर रहे हैं कुछ लोग chat पे. Extra curricular activities और internships जो की हुई हैं एक बच्चे ने, उनका कितना importance रहता है जब placement की selection हो रही होती है?
देखिए, सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण पॉइंट है आपकी मार्क्स, CGPA बोलते हैं, CPI बोलते हैं, कि आपके एकेडमिकली आपकी कितनी से परफॉर्मेंस रही है 3-4 साल में, जो भी है वो सबसे बड़ा मापदंड होता है. हाँ, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में अच्छे हैं या ऐसा कुछ है, दे आर सप्लीमेंट्स ओनली. ये बताएं, मेन इज एकेडमिकली यू हैव टू बी वेरी स्ट्रांग.
Would you second that, Professor Chatterjee?
Absolutely.
Isn't like extracurriculars, aren't they important?
Extracurriculars are important, but first is आप कितना सीरियसली आपका academics, how seriously have you pursued your academics? This is the most important. उसके बाद एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स ऑफ कोर्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट.
आप अपने आप को एक किसी प्लेसमेंट सिलेक्शन की कंपनी के उसके शूज में डालिए और वहां से इस चीज को परसीव करने की कोशिश करिए. आप देखेंगे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स की, आप बिल्कुल नहीं देखेंगे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर?
देखेंगे पहले एकेडमिक अचीवमेंट्स देखेंगे, उसके बाद टिपिकली ये जो हमारा जो कैंपस प्लेसमेंट होता है, टिपिकली फर्स्ट दे टेक द CGPA का एक कट ऑफ रखते हैं, एंड देन दोज हु आर अबव दैट CGPA दे लुक एट द एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स.
सो दैट्स द सिचुएशन इन दिस पॉइंट इन टाइम. क्या आज भी सबसे ज्यादा प्लेसमेंट CS, IT, AIML में ही होती है?
ऑल आवर स्टूडेंट्स आर वेल प्लेस्ड.
That's the word that you're going to go with.
Yes.
How important are internships during, engineering? Professor Banerjee, what do you have to say? How important are internships during engineering courses? कितना seriously लेना चाहिए इन सब बच्चों को जो अभी engineering courses में apply करने वाले हैं?
How important means you want on a scale or something? I think internships, it's finally, it depends on what the kind of skill sets people have. So if you want to get a particular type of position and you have experience of what happens, I think internships are important not just from the point of view of placement, but it's from the point of view of the student understanding what is really happening in the real world. And so internships, projects, it all contributes to the learning. So many of these, as I said in the beginning, I think we are too worried about what will happen after the end of 4 years, but we should focus on the journey. You are learning something from your peers, you are learning something in the classroom, you are doing something which is hands-on, you understand, you do an internship, you get an idea of what is happening in industry, then you can make a more reasoned decision. And when we think in terms of a company which is hiring, yes, they are looking at an all-round personality. You are also looking at a match. You want to match your interest with what the company wants to do. So it's not just the package. And I think we are just, we have created all this hype around these packages which are actually distorting the reality. So if someone has understanding of the learning and has done this, and then you have got an all-rounded thing, so that's people are, it is what you are and what you have to contribute, and that is something which you gain through the different experiences that so if you've taken some opportunities in extracurricular or organizing, you've done some internship, it rounds you off as a person. and then you are better suited for particular types of.
That's very
career.
beautifully summed up. Your own ambitions and the company's ambitions should at one point collide somewhere, so that you see yourself well placed as well. But I'm telling you, Professor Banerjee, और ये जितने भी सवाल मेरे पास आ रहे हैं, even before these students have taken their first step, they're already talking about placement.
ये
and
ज़्यादा
CGPAs.
प्रेशर हो रही है. Actually, it is up to us to balance it out. We are unnecessarily pressurizing our students, and I think this is something which we as a society must find ways. People will find their own pathways. We have to enable them to do that.
तो CGPA के पीछे नहीं भागना, it's the journey that actually
absolutely.
matters.
I'm sorry, I will have to leave, but
That's absolutely fine. Many thanks, Professor Banerjee, Director IIT
colleagues
Delhi,
are there
for
on the
joining us
panel.
here on the broadcast. Many thanks for speaking to us here. Professor Baswana, बच्चे अभी भी मुझसे यही पूछ रहे हैं कि किसी स्टूडेंट का अगर CGPA 8.5 या उससे कम आया हो तो वो प्लेसमेंट में कैसे बैठे, कितना CGPA होना चाहिए कि प्लेसमेंट एक अच्छी जगह हो जाए या प्लेसमेंट में बैठने का मौका मिल जाए. What would be your answer to all those questions? जितने भी बच्चे ये सवाल पूछ रहे हैं.
देखिए, इस बारे में फिर वही कहूँगा कि CGPA एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण मापदंड है आपके फ्यूचर प्रोस्पेक्ट्स के लिए. तो उसको फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर से उस पर काफ़ी फोकस रखें अपना. और अलग अलग IIT की अलग अलग कट ऑफ्स होती हैं, CGPA की अलग अलग कंपनी कट ऑफ होती हैं. जस्ट रिमेन सिंसियर एंड इट्स नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट आल्सो. इफ यू रिमेन सिंसियर, रिमेन फोकस्ड, you will maintain good CPI also, and maybe in fact extracurricular activities also. ऐसे नहीं कि आपको सिर्फ पढ़ाई करेंगे तो ही हो पाएगा, पढ़ाई भी करें, दूसरी एक्टिविटीज में भी हिस्सा लें, सब कुछ संभव है.
From a computer science perspective, Professor Baswana, coding or research, these are two very prime aspects of this particular course, is at least from my limited understanding of computer sciences. All I did was C++ and Java, and that was 11th and 12th grade. That was it. Nostalgic moments for me as well. But coding और research दोनों में balance कैसे maintain करें? कुछ tips coming from an expert like you?
देखिए, कोडिंग का रिसर्च से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. रिसर्च तो किसी भी स्ट्रीम में हो सकती है. जैसे कैन बी इन फिजिक्स आल्सो, केमिस्ट्री आल्सो. आई थिंक आपका क्वेश्चन है कि रिसर्च इन कंप्यूटर साइंस वर्सेस कोडिंग. कोडिंग इज मोर लाइक इंजीनियरिंग. एवरीवन, किसी को भी someone wants to go into industry, he should have very good command on coding. लेकिन research in computer science is totally different, which require lot of other skills also and lot more commitment also. So at BTech level, you don't get exposure for research. It's very rare that you get exposure for research because you have to do a fixed number of courses there. Courses सब फिक्स्ड है ऑलमोस्ट, कौन कौन से कोर्सेज कर सकते हैं आप. लेकिन हाँ, IITs में मैं कहता हूँ, अपने अनुभव से कह सकता हूँ कि यहाँ भी आपको बीटेक के दौरान अगर आप में रिसर्च के प्रति रुझान है, यू कैन गेट चांसेस ऑफ डूइंग रिसर्च आल्सो. दैट्स व्हाट IITs आर रियली गुड एट. लेकिन सब कुछ आप पे है. आपका सिंपली आपको जो यू कैन पैकेज ओनली, देन प्लीज डोंट गो फॉर रिसर्च. रिसर्च इज जस्ट फॉर सेक ऑफ, लाइक यू कुड से, फॉर beyond materialistic aim also. If you are really passionate about some subject, want to go deep into that, then go for that. They are totally opposite in that.